Good morning, guys, on this fine wet day. Today, we're gonna be finally autocrossing our blue S2000. Hopefully, you guys can hear me over the garage, but yeah, it's gonna be a wet day. It is raining right now, so we're gonna try not to die at all today at Autocross. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and head over to Autocross. And I'll let you guys know once we get there and start our course walk. Pretty easy, pretty simple video today. And as always, we gotta start an early morning. It's a monster. Woo! Make sure you guys check out my last video where I installed this gauge cluster. Today's event is gonna be interesting because it's gonna be my first time driving rear wheel drive. And a complete 180 from the Accord with like no assists, no stability control, no traction control, nothing. So yeah, this video is just really gonna be me documenting my learning of this car, because I know like Autocross is not the most exciting video, to be quite frank. So yeah, we're just gonna document how we do, and if we do poorly, you guys will see it. So I'll catch you guys there. All right, we're gonna get ready to head off to the course soon. We already did a course walk. I'll put a picture of how it looks, but you know, it's not too difficult. It's a couple of slaloms. So far it's not raining. Hopefully it stays like that for our first heat. So yeah, catch you guys in the in-car footage. Third and final run. Let's go. Improved about 8 seconds, first to second. Let's see if we can do any better on this one.
let's try not to smack the same cone again. Swear to God. We had a pretty clean one last time, so let's do better.
Okay, so I recorded this part of the video a couple of days after we had finished the Autocross event, and I'm gonna put the results on the screen right now. But overall, I'm really happy with how I did, being first time really driving rear-wheel drive in this kind of manner, in this environment where you're pushing the car. And overall, pretty happy. The setup for the car right now is on stock alignment, but square tires all around. So more or less pretty much how the car is stock, just with wider tires in the front. So that kind of helps with the front grip a little bit. But overall, really, really happy. So yeah, video next week might be a little slower. My Accord unfortunately got hit, so I'm dealing with insurance and stuff right now. I'll put a picture up on the screen of what happened. But yeah, overall, had a really great time in this car. And honestly, I'm kind of sad I didn't get a light rear-wheel drive car sooner, because this was so much fun. So much fun, guys. If you guys could get a Miata or BRZ or something and drive it on an autocross course, so much fun. So yeah, it's probably gonna be it for this video. I think in the next video, I'm trying to think, I have some mods that I'm going to be installing on this car soon. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, in the meantime, check out my last video where we installed a brand new gauge cluster in this car. Be sure to follow my Instagram at QMedia and hit that subscribe button. We have just passed 950. We're almost at 1,000. So please, if you guys could, leave a like and subscribe if you guys enjoy the content. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out and take care. Bye-bye.